What if I told you that the James Webb Space Telescope, built to explore the farthest reaches of the universe, has made a discovery right here in our own solar system, on the far side of the moon? A discovery so huge it could change everything we thought we knew about our nearest neighbor. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, it just happened. For decades, the far side of the moon has been a mystery. It's the part that always faces away from Earth. And for most of human history, we've only been able to glimpse it through robotic missions. But now, thanks to the unprecedented capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists have detected something massive and completely unexpected. A huge structure, unlike anything we've ever seen, has been spotted on the lunar far side. This massive structure, located on the far side of the moon, is unlike anything we've observed before. The James Webb Space Telescope, known for its ability to capture images in infrared light, has uncovered what appears to be an enormous geometric formation. It stretches for miles and seems to have sharp, unnatural angles. Is this a naturally occurring lunar formation, or could it be something else? Perhaps an ancient structure, or even evidence of extraterrestrial activity? Before we jump into the details, make sure to subscribe to Space Exploring so you don't miss any groundbreaking discoveries like this one. And if you're as fascinated as we are about this lunar anomaly, don't forget to hit the like button. Now let's dive into what this incredible discovery could mean. The very fact that this structure exists on the moon's far side is remarkable. For years, scientists believed this area of the moon was barren and relatively featureless, with only craters and some mountainous terrain. But JWST's advanced infrared sensors have revealed something far more intriguing. This structure doesn't appear to be a random geological formation, and its size and design are forcing scientists to reconsider everything they thought they knew about the moon. What makes this discovery even more bizarre is that it's not just the size of the structure that stands out, it's the way it reflects light. The materials making up this formation seem to behave in a way that doesn't match anything we've seen on the moon before. This has led some researchers to speculate that the structure could be artificial in nature, perhaps constructed by an ancient civilization, or even an extraterrestrial intelligence. Could this be proof of something beyond human understanding? While the idea of an alien-built structure on the moon might sound like science fiction, the data from JWST is difficult to ignore. The shape and composition of the structure are so unusual that they defy any known lunar geological process. If it's not natural, the possibility of it being a product of intelligent design is something scientists can't rule out just yet. However, before jumping to conclusions, it's essential to explore other possibilities. Some experts suggest that the formation could be a result of unknown lunar forces or a yet-to-be-discovered geological process. The moon's surface has been shaped by billions of years of cosmic impacts. So could this be an effect of some unique lunar phenomenon that we don't fully understand? It's still too early to say for sure. As more data pours in, astronomers are carefully analyzing the infrared signals from JWST to determine exactly what this structure is made of. One of the most surprising things is that the materials detected seem to differ significantly from the typical basaltic rock found on the moon. This raises more questions. Could these materials have been brought to the moon from elsewhere? Or is there something fundamentally different about the moon's composition in this area? The location of the structure is also significant. It's situated in a region of the far side of the moon that has been visited before by robotic probes, but none of these missions have detected anything like this. Why has this structure remained hidden until now? The answer lies in the cutting-edge technology of JWST. Its ability to detect infrared signatures and peer through thick lunar dust has allowed it to reveal details that were previously invisible to earlier missions. This raises an intriguing question. What else might we have missed on the moon? Could there be other structures objects or anomalies hidden in plain sight, just waiting for the right technology to uncover them. As JWST continues to explore the far reaches of the solar system, it could reveal even more about our closest neighbor. The discovery of this structure has prompted renewed interest in the moon. For years, the focus of lunar exploration has been on collecting samples and studying its geology. But now, the moon is starting to look like a treasure trove of hidden history. This could structure be the first of many discoveries that reveal the moon's deeper secrets. One of the key questions scientists are asking is whether this structure is artificial. If it is, what could its purpose be? Was it built by an ancient civilization, or is it a remnant of an alien presence that visited the moon long before humanity ever thought to explore it? If it's not artificial, then what geological processes could have created something so complex and geometric on the moon's surface? The next step is to gather more data. JWST is expected to continue its observations of the moon, and scientists are planning follow-up missions to get closer to the site of this strange formation. With new technologies, we may soon be able to study the structure up close, giving us a better understanding of its composition, age, and potential origins. While we can't be certain about what this discovery means just yet, it opens up many exciting possibilities. If this structure is artificial, it could be evidence of a lost civilization, either human or alien. And if it's a natural formation, it could completely redefine our understanding of the moon's geology and history. But even if this structure turns out to be natural, its size and complexity would still suggest that there's much more to the moon than we realized. There could be other features hidden beneath the surface, or even in areas we haven't been able to observe until now. As our technology improves, so too will our understanding of this mysterious celestial body. The implications of this discovery could be profound. If the structure is indeed artificial, it would not only change the way we view the moon, but it could also have implications for the search for extraterrestrial life. If someone or something built a structure on the moon, it would suggest that we're not alone in the universe and that we have a much bigger cosmic story to uncover. For now, all we can do is wait for more data and analysis. JWST's findings are just the beginning, and the scientific community is eager to dig deeper. In the coming months, we can expect more research and new missions to follow up on this groundbreaking discovery. As we continue to learn more about the structure and its origins, we will keep you updated with the latest findings. The moon's far side is no longer just a quiet, barren landscape. It's now a place of immense interest and possibility. And who knows what other mysteries it holds. So what's next? If this discovery is confirmed to be an artificial structure, it could be one of the most significant findings in the history of space exploration. We're entering a new era where the moon, which has always seemed so close, could hold answers to some of the biggest questions in science. If you're excited about the potential for this discovery to change everything we know about the moon, be sure to stay tuned. We'll be covering all the developments as they unfold, and you won't want to miss the latest updates on this extraordinary find. For now, though, we can only imagine the possibilities. The James Webb Space Telescope has opened up a new chapter in lunar exploration, and what we've seen so far is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to discover, and the moon is just the beginning. Stay with us as we continue to bring you the most exciting space discoveries. The far side of the moon is full of surprises, and with JWST on the case, there's no telling what we might uncover next. We're just getting started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Space Exploring so you don't miss any of the latest cosmic revelations. This discovery is only the beginning, and we'll be right here to share it all with you as it unfolds. The moon's secrets have been waiting for centuries to be uncovered. Now, with the James Webb Space Telescope leading the way, We're on the verge of discovering things we never imagined possible. The journey has just begun, and it's one you won't want to miss.